So as we have talked about clothes, let's elaborate about these clothes questions. What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
Obviously, it's will be comfortable because comfortable clothes. When I wear any comfortable clothes, we feel so much refreshment and we make a confidence when I wear a comfortable clothes.
Okay. What type of outfit should people prefer to wear to the office?
It's obviously suit or shirt and formal pant and the formal shoes. It can be because in Bangladesh people go to their office to wear the black suit and with a formal tie and with white shirt. So that's it.
Okay. What do you think about shopping through social media sites? Is it better?
I think shopping is social. I don't like shopping in socials from social site because when I choose any cloth in online from online, when I see it, but when I receive it, it's not same. Not same, but when I go to any visit any shopping center and go any shopping center for collecting our clothes for buy our clothes, so it is better for people, so they can discuss any type of cloth and they discuss about price. So I think social shopping is not better. It's physical is the best.
Do you think the brand of clothing is important?
No, I think brand is not identification any a person. A person in our society there is a lots type of people. Some people is poor, some people is so where the rich people can buy any types of brand clothes, but the poor people cannot buy or afford the afford the expensive or brand cloth. So I think brand is not matter. People any can choose any type of clothes. So brand is not matter. Okay.
What kind of clothes do people in your country usually wear?
Usually in our country, country is a agriculture related country, and people usually wear the lungi or t-shirt, white t-shirt, and when they go to any occasion, they wear a formal suit with I already mentioned that shirt, formal shoes, and young generation people they usually play. They when they go to the outside play, they wear the t-shirt or jersey cloth, or most of the farmer wear the lungi or t-shirt. It's the traditional in our country.
Thank you so much.